To the point, what is initial public offering? IPO. An IPO of the acronym for the initial public offering, the such as the represented the first opportunity for your the most investor to the start the buying the series of the stocks in the firm in questions. Initial public offering commonly they generate the great the deal of the assessments the to only the for the company involved, but also member of the investing community. Private companies decide to the issue stocks, become public traders of the company for a few different reasons. The man or to the more motivating the factor of the revolves earning the needs to the raise more capitals, as well as the desire to the permit that the original the business the owner of the investor to the tax the profits on there is the time of the investment that they the originally put into the starting of the company. It is a true that is the private the company are the limits in the amount of the capitals that they are the able to raise. Since there is the ownership the turn out of the restricted to the certain organization and the individual, public companies have the advantage of the allowing the any the investor to the tag the stack through buying the stock shares and exchange that is the publicity traders. It is the far easier for them to the rise money are the public companies. Initial public the offering that is the go the well that translates to the large the amount of the cash for the company. They use this is the features the expansive and the development. Those are the who they began the company or the who were initial investor typically make up the enormous gains to at is the time the compensation for the there is the times and the efforts. Initial the public offering the tag the who the amount of the premise the works the grade the amounts of the paper works have either to be the fill in the affiliate which is the regulatory the oversight the group the prospectus the has to the be the credits for the investor to be the study for the consider the advantage uh, adva I want to say initial public offering that translates I so sorry. Advertisement company for is the first sales that is the will be the sold the must be develop to obtain this these are the task of the company. It has the country to its normal operating the because this is the financial form of the Morgan the Stanley of the Goldman the such are is the commonly the engages to the perform this is the task of the company and the belief or such as a firm in the college the IPO underlying the company without is the enormous size IPO. This the tax could even be the dividend up is the between the few other different IPO the underwriting the companies. Continue to is the what the main the people the things the majority of majority of majority of IPO that typically do not do very well initially. Besides, this is the percentage of the companies will be the no not make it is the meaning of the that all of the investment in the IPO of the stocks the code is the lost because of the of this is the there is the create the risk and obtain the lower really re what is for the seeking the money into the initial the initial public offering the than in the traditional well established companies and the stocks. Many the investor buy then to the Ethiopian the assessment the surrounded Indian public offering the another is the explanation for the there is the Euphoria may by the habits will be the behaving that is there is the some things especially in the business among the first investor to the acquire. There's the next possible Apple, the Coca-Cola or IMBM, whether whatever there is a reasoning the proofs to be the initial the continue to be the love initial the public offering, and is the somewhat the long short the opportunities that the repayments represent. Thank you for watching my video.